Meet Scribit, the world's first write and erase robot that creates a different image whenever you want. 2 nails and a plug is all you need to install Scribit. And thanks to the app, it's always connected. Create an image or source it from the web, then upload it to the app and Scribit will reproduce it on your wall within minutes. And if you get tired of the design, no worries. Scribit will just erase it and you can start over again. You can connect Scribit to your favorite apps and show you the latest news and weather forecast, or even your Twitter updates. Any surface is game: whiteboard, glass, or standard plaster. And with 4 color options, the possibilities are endless. The only limit is your imagination.
Simply fill your cup with water, place it onto the induction base, and immerse the rod in the liquid. The base then heats the disc of the rod, which heats the liquid surrounding it, giving you the exact amount of hot water you wanted. We focused on a simple and elegant design that is intuitive to use. MIITO adjusts to your needs. You can heat milk for a hot chocolate, or warm up the food for your baby. Are you having guests over? No problem. Just prepare an entire tea kettle for everyone to share.
Say hello to OGarden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. OGarden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. OGarden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low-energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it.